The Bona Commercial System delivers beautiful, residue-free solutions for hardwood floors, specifically designed for the unique needs of cleaning professionals. The system provides innovative features like a durable 24-inch mop base, one of the largest available in commercial cleaning, a revolutionary flared-edge design, and a lightweight adjustable pole. Bona's high-quality cleaning microfiber pads for dusting and cleaning are specifically designed and patented by Bona to provide more dust pickup and cleaning power. Available in concentrate and ready-to-use solutions, Bona's premium professional-grade hardwood floor cleaner is specially formulated for daily use and will effectively remove ice melt salt without leaving any residue on the floor. With the Bona Commercial System at your disposal, it's not difficult to keep your customers happy and all of their hardwood floors looking beautiful. After all you need is a system. The Bona Commercial System.